Hi there, my name is Erin Duploy, also known as Oh So Lovely Erin on Instagram, and this is my Dufresne style in my newly designed kitchen. It was pretty fun. I got to basically just plan my dream kitchen, and I knew I wanted bright colors and I wanted it to have kind of a throwback to my love of mid-century design. There's a bit of a 50s feel to it with the mustard banquette breakfast nook, and I knew I wanted a bold paint color for the cabinets, and the feature was kind of the countertop, which was my favorite part of the process. Having the space of a humongous island with the bar stools for the kids, I do a lot of entertaining and hosting, so I wanted to have a functional kitchen but also have lots of space so that people aren't in my way. I get pretty stressed out when there's people everywhere and my mess everywhere. It's just, I needed the space, so this worked out really well. I think that's an important question to ask when you're designing a space is, am I gonna love this in 5 years or 10 years? It's important to me because I don't wanna just be on trend and then next year I'm like, why did I paint my cabinets green? This was a terrible idea, because they're not easy to switch. I do a lot of cooking. I spend the majority of my day in the kitchen. I wanted to kind of maximize the storage space that we had. That was one of the bigger issues that we had planning this space. So we had this beautiful induction cooktop, and then I knew these would just fit perfectly with kind of the whole look of the place. My experience shopping with Dufresne was really phenomenal. I was blown away by the customer service that we received. The delivery was flawless. They always gave me the perfect windows. With kids, I feel like you get a lot of windows when you're building a house. People are like, oh, we're gonna be here in the next 6 hours. It's well, I need to know, I need to plan my day. Yeah, it was wonderful. I would highly recommend. Most people stick to a gray or a white kitchen, which I love. Don't get me wrong, I love a clean look, but I also just think it's important to bring your own personality into the mix and spice it up. It doesn't have to be the same cookie cutter kitchen as everybody else. I saw it a few years back and I knew if I could convince my husband to do this, this was the countertop for my future dream kitchen. So yeah, we kind of based everything off of this. We shipped it in from London, England, and yeah, it really pulls the whole place together, I think.